Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart putting together outfits, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So the first thing I'm going with is this No Boundaries tier dress. It has that wrap style front. It's a relaxed sleeve tiers, and it's flowy all the way down. It's a shorter fit through the front and the back. This one comes in a bunch of different colors. It's $12.98. Broke back the Time and Tru cardigan. So these have a bunch of different textures. This shoulder has that textured top, drop sleeve, a ribbed wrist, the two front pockets, the little slits on the side, and then that same kind of print through the back. Comes in the gray. There's also black. There's brown and olive. These are $14.98. I'm going to go with the black. Bag, I'm going with the bucket style bag from Time and Tru. So this one has that weaved strap. Also has the longer adjustable strap. Comes in the black. There's also brown. There's two other colors. These are going to be $24.98. $15.94 for both the earrings and the necklace. For shoes, I'm going to go with these mules from Time and Tru. So these have the chunky heel. It's more of an almond toe, the little elastic on the side. They're $22.98. I think these are so good as transition shoes. You can wear them now with your little shorts and dresses, and then they're going to work really good for fall. This is the finished look. Next look, I'm going with this white button down from Free Assembly. So it has this smaller collar, full button down, this seam detailing through the sleeve, button detail on the wrist, the one pocket. These are also on sale, $18.10. They come in two other prints and colors. I think those are on sale for a little less. So I'm going to go with the white. For shorts, I'm going with the Time and Tru black twill. So these have the double silver button, side pocket, this little flat pocket. Same kind of fit through the back with pockets. Comes in a lot of colors. So there's black, there's olive, the khaki, gray, pink, navy, white. There's denim options that acid wash with like the patchwork. And they're $20 in store. Online they're on sale for $16 and change. I dressed it up a little with this oversized belt buckle from Time and Tru. So you have the gold, it's full leather, elastic through the back, so you get a really good fit, and then it has all of those notches. These are $12. And then for jewelry, I'm going to go with this oversized ring necklace. So this one's from Time and Tru. They're $5.88. It's 18 inches with a 14-inch extender. For bag, I'm going with this one from Time and Tru. So you can tuck in those straps and make it a clutch. It's really nice and roomy on the inside. The strap is a little long. I have this one in the ivory, but you can adjust it a little bit. You can also knot it. These are $19.98, so it also comes in the ivory. I'm not seeing that one here. There's that lime green, the purple, and pink. For earrings, I'm going with the gold hoops. I've shared these in the teen outfit. So you get the two pairs for $14.97, the gold and the silver. It says gold flash plated. And then for shoes, I'm going with these loafers from Sea Wonder. So these have that almond toe. They have a bunch of different prints and colors. That's the finished look. Next look, I'm going with this blazer from Madden NYC. So this one is their longer fit, has the smaller collar, lapel, the two flat pockets, relaxed through the wrist. It's going to be $24. It also comes in the beige. I'm going with this black lace trim tee from No Boundaries. These are so nice for the price. So it has that V neckline, really good length on it through the front and the back. Comes in the black, white. I know they also have it in pink. And they're going to be $6.98. For bottoms, I'm going with this 7-inch khaki short from Lee. These are high-waisted. They have the pork chop style pockets. More of a relaxed fit. They are mid-rise, and these are on sale online for $17 and change. Regularly $22.98. Jewelry, I'm going with this necklace set from Time and Tru. So you get 3 necklaces for $7.92. It also has a gemstone in the black and like a pear shape. Earrings, I'm going with these little gold hoops. They're $3.88. And for a bag, I'm going with this top handle. You can also wear it as a crossbody from Time and Tru. So it comes in the black, also in the brown. I'll actually go with the brown. And then for shoes, I'm going with these new loafers from Madden NYC. So they have the almond toe, a little bit of a chunky heel, that chain detail. They're $24. That's the finished look. Next look, I'm going with this graphic tee from No Boundary. So these are a crew neckline. It's more of a relaxed fit. Has the graphic in the front, the same relaxed fit through the back. They're $10.98. So they come in this black print, also the burgundy, the brown butterfly. I'm gonna go with the brown. I'm gonna go with this cropped No Boundaries flannel. So this one has the hood in the back, drop sleeve, the button detail on the wrist. It is that shorter fit, scoops a little bit in the back with the same detailing. Comes in the brown, there's pink, the black and white, and the olive. I'm gonna go with the brown. Bottoms, I'm going with these denim shorts from Time and Tru. So these are the 3.5-inch inseam. They have the raw hem, a little bit of distressing and whiskering, a little bit of fading through the back. These were $15. They're now on sale for $9.99. Bag, I'm going with this mini backpack from Madden NYC. So these have that flap top, it has the toggle. It's made of a nylon material, adjustable straps in the back. We saw it in a few other colors. I'm only seeing it in the black here today. These are $24. And I'm going with the Time and Tru. These are the bigger size hoops. It says they're hypoallergenic. They're $3.88. Bracelets from Time and Tru. You get, I think there's 6 of them for $5.88. Also comes in the silver. The cowboy boots from Madden NYC. These have the pointed toe. It's a chunky heel. All that same detailing with the zipper on the inside. They're $38. That's the finished look. Next look, I'm going with this t-shirt dress from Time and Tru. So this one has the higher neckline. It's a relaxed sleeve, relaxed through the body, same through the back. You could size down 1 or 2. And this one comes in the pink. There's olive, black, that teal, and white stripe, also in the gray. And I'm going to go with the pink. And these are on sale for $10, regularly $11.98. With this hat from Swiss Tech. So this one is from the men's department. I feel like the quality is just a little bit better for just a couple dollars more. So it has that black bands, nice kind of straw material. These are $13.48. Also says it has the sun protection. Going with this black tote from Time and Tru. This one has that top, little buckle, really nice straps of buttery material. This one also comes in beige. These are $28.98. Glasses are these rounded cat eyes from Foster Grant. These are the fashion line, so they're not $11.97. For shoes, I'm going with these black braided slides from Time and Tru. So these have the square toe, the double braided strap. That's what the side looks like. Comes in the black, also the beige, and they're $16.98. That's the finished look. For the next look, I'm going with more of an active style. So these flowy shorts from Athletic Works. These have the elastic waistband, side pocket, this little mesh detailing. Also has the built-in underwear. Nice and flowy fit in the pink. Also comes in burgundy. There's white, blue, red, a gray and white tie-dye, that black and gray camo. I'm going to go with the pink. And I'm going to go with the long line sports bra from AFFORDABLE. So there's 2 options. They have this higher option with the 2 little strands and it's squared in the back. And then the higher one with the racer back. That's what it looks like on. I'm going to go with this white one. I'm going with one of the Time and Tru baseball hats. So I love this one. It says Vacay Babe. They're $8.97. They also have a Good Energy Club. Enjoy the journey. Going with this white Skechers watch. These are $22.98. Favorite necklace from Believe by Brilliance. These are $24.98. White Avius sneakers. So these have the rounded toe. They also come in wide width. They're nice, chunky. They have good arch support. Comes in the white. They also have black. I think they have like a black with a different color option. I'm going to go with the white. These are $19.98. It's the finished look. Next look, I'm going with this sneak peek item, so I'll go through more of it in next week's shop with me. But they had these last year. I picked it up in the navy, so they just changed the colors. They're under $20. They're so nice for the price. So I'm gonna go with the black. I go with the No Boundaries. It's a tank and seamless short set. This one has the thicker strap, scoop neckline, fitted through the body. Also has the matching shorts. The two pieces are $14.98. So it comes in the black and white daisy. So in this hibiscus. There's a couple other prints and colors. With this faux leather rhinestone waist bag, or you can wear it crossbody from Madden NYC. They're $20, so they have this option, also the faux leather pink. They have that nylon option. I'm gonna go with the black. It's a really big oversized claw clip from Time and Tru. So this one comes in the black. There's brown, a marbled blue, the pink, the iridescent, and beige. Flower earrings from No Boundaries. They're $4.88. These are really nice and lightweight. And for shoes, I'm going with these rubbered slides from No Boundaries. So these come in the white. There's also the pink. There's the yellow with the smiley faces. This flower print is cute. This is the finished look. Their sneak peek item are these new prints in the open front kimonos. So these do have the armholes, the little slits on the side. They're nice and oversized. They are one size fits, $12.98. So this brown leopard is new. I'm going to go with this kind of florally full, but you can definitely wear it now. I'm going to go with the No Boundaries short sleeve scoop neck tee. So these have that scoop neckline, fitted through the body, really good length, white, black, gray, olive. There's purple, yellow, pink, burgundy. I'm going to go with the white. And for shorts, I love these free assembly little cuff shorts. So these are high-waisted. They have the light wash, same kind of fit through the back in the light chambray. Also comes in that mid-tone, the white. These are $18. For jewelry, I'm going to layer it up with this set. So you get the bar and then the one chain and then also the heart. So each of these are $3.88. And these gold hoops, they have that engraved detailing with the stripes. These are $3.88. They're really nice and light. I like this brown headband. So these are from Time and Tru. They have the brown, pink, black, green, orange, purple, a baby pink, and ivory, and they're $5.97. Here's this new watch. This one's from Time and Tru. It has the brown faux leather band with the crystal accents. It's $9.98. Shoes, I like these gold mules. These are from Time and Tru. So they have that almond toe. It's a weave detail. They're completely flat. They're $19.98. Bag I'm going with this nylon crossbody from Madden NYC. So it has removable straps, that little pouch. Comes in the beige, also in the black, and they're $20. Here's the finished look. Next look, I'm going with this mesh dress from No Boundaries. It has the thin strap, that lace trim, molded cups. It's a shorter fit with the skirt back. Comes in the black floral, also in this blue floral, that pink. And these are going to be $10. Going with the No Boundaries blazer I shared earlier. So I'm going to do this little bag as a clutch again from Time and Tru. They're $20. Jewelry, I like this chain set. You get the 3 pieces for $14.94. These little gold kind of rhinestone hoops. These are $3.88. They're that huggy style. They also come in silver. This watch and bracelet set is $13.98. So you get that watch with the pretty black enamel, and then also the lobster claw kind of bracelet. And then for boots, I'm going again with the cowboy boots. These are only $38. I'm pretty sure that we also saw them in the ivory, but I'm not sure if they're identical because they're not side by side. That's the finished look. I'm going with this jumpsuit from Celebrity Pink. So this one has the smaller collar. It's a full button down, seam detailing, side pocket. When I shared this in the shop with me, it was only available in plus size, so hopefully it's available in all sizes now. Has that straight leg, pockets in the back with the elastic. These are $27.50. I go with these little hoops. They're nice and lightweight, but they have the rhinestones in them, kind of like the Cartier, but smaller. These are $3.88. Shared this one on TikTok, and I had this multi-layered necklace set, but I'm not seeing it at this store. So I think I'm gonna go with this necklace from Time and Tru. So this is the 18-inch with the extender. It's $4.88. And for sunglasses, I'm gonna do these gold squares. These are one of my favorites. I have them in a few different gold tones, like gold, silver, the gunmetal. They're from the fashion line, so they're $11.97. And for a bag, I'm going with this beige one. You guys know this is one of my favorites from Time and Tru. The faux leather is so buttery soft. They're $26.98. Comes in the beige, the black, and then also the blue. The strap is adjustable. For shoes, I'm going with these slingbacks from Time and Tru. So it's a thong style, has the little buckle detail, comes in the ivory, also in the brown. I'm gonna go with this ivory. That's the finished look. The next look, I'm going with the No Boundaries Moto jacket. So this one has that oversized collar lapel, like all of the biker jacket details with the zipper on the wrist, completely lined on the inside. It is more of a shorter fit with that seam detailing in the back. They're $24.98. With the black crew neck tee from Free Assembly. These are so comfortable. I've shared these a few times. I have it in this color. Also comes in white. There's this orange and white stripe. I know there's a navy and white stripe, and they're $12. Going with these crop jeans from Lee. So these look like they're a mid-rise, nice and stretchy. They have that cuffed bottom. I'm going with this one from Time and Tru. So it has that little toggle detail, the little side pocket. These are $24.98. Comes in the black. They also come in the brown. And for shoes, I'm going with these heels from Time and Tru, just because it is still warm out. So if it gets too hot, you could still take the jacket off. These are $22.98. They have that square toe, that cushiony kind of slide with the buckle detail. That's the finished look. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.